Let me show you a couple of really simple ways to organise your files and folders on your iPad to make it easier to access the stuff that you use every single day. I'm going to go into the Files app here, and you can see I've got loads of folders and files going on, and there are some of these that I really do want to access quite often, but at the moment I have to go into iCloud Drive and then find a folder and then a subfolder. It's a whole thing. Well, we can actually drag and drop any folder in the Files app onto our sidebar here in the Favourites section. So for example, I can drag and drop this folder, and I can place it straight there under Favourites. We can grab subfolders as well, so you can go as far deep into your file system as you want to find the exact thing you want to bookmark on the side. And of course, if you want to change your mind, you can simply remove it from the Favourites bar too. To do that, just long press on the folder and then choose Remove at the bottom. But there's one more thing we can do that makes it even more accessible than having them in the Files app, and that's having them attached to the dock at the bottom of your iPad, meaning they're only ever a swipe away no matter what you're doing. So in the Files app, I'm going to choose this folder that I use a lot, and I'm going to long press on it. And then towards the bottom of that context menu, there should be the option to add to the dock. Now, if I leave Files, you're going to see it straight away there on the right-hand side of my dock. I can tap on there to view the files, and I can long press to change how it's displayed. A grid, a fan, I can have it arranged by date, by type, anything I like. And then I can access all of my files and documents simply there from my dock. If this tip has saved you some time on your iPad, I'd really appreciate a subscribe. And then check out this quick tip next.